Hi, I'm Andy. Kia ora and welcome to Te Manua, Museum of Art, Science and Heritage. Last time we talked about heirloom boxes. Today we'll be talking about the precious items that go in our heirloom boxes.
What are precious items? They're items that are very special to us. They hold great value and are cherished by us. Precious items may be different for each person. Now let me show you my precious item. My precious item is a watch. Here it is here. It was given to me by my father. My father gave each one of us children a watch that was handpicked by him. For me, he wrote my initials on the back in his own handwriting. Then he went and he got my initials engraved on the back of my watch. This watch is very special because he has now passed away, and whenever I wear it, I think of him.
Hi, I'm Himani. These are my precious items. Sun and moon, made from brass, coming all the way from Sri Lanka, my beautiful birth country. As a person originally coming from a tiny island in the Indian Ocean, I believe that these two brassware, sun and moon, bring peace and energy to a home. They are displayed in my home as a wall hanging. Sri Lankan traditional brides wear a smaller version of these on either side of head in the hope of achieving a long-lasting marriage. So I'm going to put these in my heirloom box.
Hello, I would like to show you my precious item. This is something that my granddad made and I just really love it. I'll show you why. So here we go. This is a little fabric store and it opens up like that. This is a store that really existed in Rotterdam, and because my grandma worked a lot with fabric and with wool, I think they visited that store quite often. So I enjoy the idea that my granddad created something from that memory, and even the little drawers, they open and have little things in them. It's precious to me because it's made by my granddad's hands, and even though he made it, my grandma is kind of woven into it as well because it's something that is precious to her, and I really like that. Thinking about the creativity that's in the families and the people that are all behind me. Yeah, and I can feel that in my hands too.
Hi, me again. So I've got some items here in my precious heirloom box. Let's see what's in there. Here I have a darning mushroom. So this was used to mend socks back in the day. So you would put the sock over here and you would stitch. It's made of wood and there's a lovely little picture on there. I think it might be a horse or a bear. Also, I have my grandmother's pin cushion. So you can see it's still got her pins and needles in. It's got some lovely flowers there. And I've just been informed it's made of tin. Join us next time when we talk about correspondence and communication.
Sun and moon.
Sun and moon.
And what's your name?
Andi.